RobotFX curates the best open-source MetaTrader code to inspire your trading automation. Elastic volume-weighted moving average EVWMA, a natural replacement for the standard moving average. Differences of the EVWMA from the standard. 1. The EVWMA does not have an averaging period. Instead, it uses the volume to determine the period of the average component. 2. The EVWMA considers the information on volume or time in a natural and logical manner. 3. The EVWMA can be obtained as an approximation to the statistical estimation and thus has a mathematical basis. Experience adaptive trading with the Fluid Expert Advisor for MT4-MT5. Dynamic money management and trend detection. Click for info. Level up your trading with professional RobotFX expert advisors and indicators. Visit robotfx.org for proven MT4-MT5 tools. 7457.